at the beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So I want to talk about this story about how a Jamaican man in Hanover actually got his sister-in-law pregnant and his common-law wife almost killed him. Okay, let's get into the story. And it says, Mr. Reporter, me don't know why me decide to do such thing, stated Anthony Brown, whose name was changed. One little mistake me make and now my life is in living hell. A broken-hearted man wept and he told his bittersweet story. According to him, he loves his baby mother very much and he does not know what had gotten into him why he went to bed with his sister. It all started during the summer holidays during the month of September while I was in Lucytown. I had just gotten a car to operate taxi, and while heading back into the countryside, I picked up my sister-in-law who was coming from work. After we decided to reach the community, I dropped off the passengers, but the rain was falling, so I decided to drop her home, he stated. Upon reaching her gate, I helped her with her bags to the house, and as the rain continued to pour down, she offered me a drink, and I said yes. The woman started to take off our clothes in another room, and me got glimpse her naked body. Immediately me turned full, and next thing the two of us in a bed. I didn't intend for her to get pregnant, and it came as a shock to me when my baby mother Kimon, not her real name, came to me while I was running taxi in Lucy 3 days ago and threw a pregnancy test in my lap. At first I was happy thinking it was my girlfriend who was pregnant again, but it was 2 machete slaps in my chest that brought me to reality that something was wrong. I jumped from the car. That is when I noticed her mother and her sister standing behind the car. I froze up immediately, and 2 more slaps from the machete made me realize that my entire world was tumbling down around me. My mother-in-law then came into the picture, and she joined in with the piece of board and started to help her daughter to beat me. Other taxi driver and dozens of persons started to laugh, so I had to run from the scene, leaving the car in the middle of the road. They chased me through Lucytown, and I had to run inside a store and them locked the door in order to save my life. Since that day, my life has become a living hell. I cannot go to my home. I have to constantly be looking over my shoulders for my baby mother who swore to kill me. She has a 5-year-old son for me, and now her sister is 4 months pregnant. This morning I was told by one of my friends that both sisters are planning to take me to family court. If they do that, I know I will be in trouble. Today I made up my mind to leave the parish and relocate to another parish because I'm afraid that one of these days my baby mother will chop me up. Honestly, I don't know what it is with Jamaican men and their penis, okay? They don't know how to control themselves. It's like sex is the end all be all for them, and it's very disheartening and disgusting. Why would you even glimpse, you know, she take off her clothes? Why would you even look around there? Okay, and even if you guys started kissing, you should be man enough to know that you're with her sister and you need to control yourself and leave. Okay, leave. And you wouldn't be in this predicament right now, but because you love sex and everything, that's why that happened to you. And I don't feel sorry for him at all. That people may say that's wicked and heartless, I don't feel sorry for him. When people put themselves in predicaments like this because of lust and greed, you already have one woman. What you do with 2? What are you going to do with 2? I don't feel sorry for them. Do not. And then the sister-in-law is nasty as hell. Let's just drag her real quick. She is nasty as hell. She knows that that man sleeps with her sister and has a child by her sister. Why would you want to sleep with him? You should be immediately unattracted, immediately disgusted. Even if he talk to you or he want to be with you or have sex with you, you should be immediately disgusted. Like you're mixing your body fluids with his body fluids and his sister body fluids. Like that is disgusting. Okay, and instead of the sister and the mother beating the man, why didn't you beat the sister? Because the sister is just as bad as him. She allowed him. If she had closed her damn legs, she wouldn't have gotten pregnant and he wouldn't be able to have sex with her. So beat the sister. Sister all dirty, nasty. Ugh. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you guys think about this story in the comment section. Who you think wrong? You think the sister wrong? You think the man wrong? Or you think both of them are wrong? What are your thoughts? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.